Fighting out of Albany, New York, Abraham El Super.
Isang undefeated contender na may 14-month layoff laban sa isang veteranong Pilipino na gutom sa panalo. Noong 2021, nagarap sina Abraham El Supernova at ang ating pambato na sa Richard the Beast Pumikpik. Akala ng marami, madaling trabaho lang ito para pasok sa ring. Bitbit ni Abraham Nova ang malinis na kartadang 19 na panalo at walang bahid ng talo. Galing siya sa injury kaya marami ang nag-aabang kung kinalawang ba talaga ang kanyang kamao.
Loves full speed.
Yes. Yeah, he said, as soon as I got back to sparring, I was more tentative about it. But once you got another guy hitting you in the face, all of a sudden you don't have time to really pay that much attention to that. Him from the shot above.
Yeah, missed with the right hand. He didn't anchor down that back foot. You see Nova steps in. Yeah, it's a transition right back into work. The referee says something. You can see right there Pumikpik putting his gloves out, looking to touch gloves with Nova. Nova was like, boom, come around with a nice slapping shot right there, left hook. There it is. Nice little roll right there. Body shot with the body shot. But this is where it works right here. Nice short right hand, slipping the right hand, coming back. This is one of my favorite counters right there. That's one of my favorite counters.
You're not getting to the body.
Last round.
You're not getting to the body, you're not getting the chin, you're getting on before head. Okay. Put your hands down. And you're forgetting the body. But this is the last round. I don't like every time you
And even when you get hurt, Tim, when you get buzzed, sometimes your legs give way, so. Nice hand. Big shot there from Pumikpik. Maybe too little.
Sa huli, nanaig ang athleticism at volume ni Abraham Nova via unanimous decision. Pero kahit talo, umani ng papuri si Pumikpik dahil sa kanyang tapang at pagpapakita na hindi basta-basta ang boksingero nating mga Pinoy. Ano sa tingin nyo mga boss? Kung hindi ba galing sa injury itong si Nova? Napatumba niya kaya ng tuluyan si Pumikpik? I-comment ang inyong opinion sa ibaba.